Welcome back to Mundo Rover. If you've ever dreamed of setting out on a solo adventure around the world, discovering new cultures, trying exotic foods, and finding yourself in the process, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about solo travel. From planning and packing to immersing yourself in new cultures, this is your ultimate guide. So let's jump right in. Imagine standing on a bustling Tokyo street surrounded by neon lights and strangers who don't speak your language. Or finding yourself on a secluded beach in Thailand with only the waves as your company. Solo travel is more than just seeing new places. It's a journey of self-discovery. There's nothing quite like the freedom and thrill of going at your own pace, answering to no one but yourself. But in order to know where you're going, it pays to do some pre-trip organizing. Use Google My Maps to create a personalized map with pinned locations, favorite spots, and notes for each destination. It's a great way to stay organized and track where you want to go. Try the Roam to Rio app for travel planning. It'll help you map out different transportation options for each leg of your journey, whether it's by plane, bus, train, or ferry. So, what's the magic of solo travel? Well, it's the chance to explore without compromise. You get to connect more deeply with places, meet locals on your own terms, and grow from your experiences. It's about moving beyond your comfort zone, where personal growth and adventure meet. Whether you're a first-timer or an experienced solo traveler, some help will never go astray. So for community support, join Solo Travelers Network on Facebook. This group offers advice, shared stories, and safety tips from a massive community of solo travelers who can give you real-time feedback and suggestions. Another great option is Reddit's Our Solo Travel subreddit, a platform packed with solo travel tips, destination guides, and unique perspectives that make planning easier and give you insight into local experiences from other travelers like you. Let's look at what makes this journey unique. Imagine navigating the Medina in Marrakesh. With spices and colors all around you, a sensory experience like no other. Or hiking in Patagonia's Torres del Paine, where towering mountains meet bright blue skies and feel like they're yours alone to explore. Each place on your journey has a story waiting to be discovered, and as a solo traveler, you get to experience it all without distraction. To enhance the experience, you can try TripAdvisor to read up on highly rated activities, tours, and hidden gems reviewed by other travelers. You'll find countless suggestions to explore each destination's unique vibe. Or try With Locals, an app that connects you with local guides for personalized, authentic tours based on your interests. From food walks to art tours, you'll experience the culture from a local perspective. One of the best parts of traveling solo is getting to dive into each culture, respecting customs, and connecting with locals on a deeper level. In Japan, bowing as a greeting shows respect. In India, touching someone's feet is a sign of honor, and in Argentina, a simple handshake can open the door to incredible hospitality. Engaging with these traditions creates unforgettable memories and meaningful connections. If you would like information at hand, try using the Culture Trip app, which provides articles on local traditions, etiquette tips, and must-know information on each country's unique culture. Download Duolingo to learn some basic phrases in the local language. Even knowing simple words like please and thank you can make a big difference in connecting with locals and showing respect for their culture. Then there's the food. Solo travel means you get to enjoy the local cuisine without compromise. Picture starting your morning with a strong espresso in an Italian cafe, having lunch on a busy street in Bangkok with the smells of spicy papaya salad and pad thai around you. Or enjoying ceviche on Peru's coast with the freshest fish you'll ever taste. You can even join cooking classes or food tours, which are great ways to meet people and learn about the local culture. Another great resource is the Eat With app, which connects you with locals for authentic dining experiences. You can join a local family for dinner or learn to cook traditional dishes with expert chefs. And here's a secret. Solo travel isn't really solo. Some of my best memories are from meeting other travelers and locals. Once in Greece, I joined a local tour on a whim and met a group of fellow solo travelers. We spent the evening listening to live music, sharing stories, and exploring Athens by night. Another time, in a tiny Vietnamese village, a local family invited me for dinner. Despite the language barrier, we shared laughter, smiles, and delicious pho. Moments like these remind me that the world is full of people ready to share their lives with us. And if you would like to, whilst on your journey, try meetup.com to join local events and gatherings wherever you are. From language exchanges to hiking groups, you can find a community that shares your interests. Consider staying at hostels using hostelworld.com. Hostels often organise events like pub crawls, tours, and community dinners, which are great opportunities to meet other travellers and make friends. All right, let's talk practical tips to help you plan your solo adventure. First, create a loose itinerary. Check the visa requirements for each country you'll visit and have a rough outline, especially if you're planning a multi-country trip. When it comes to accommodation, look for places like hostels, guest houses, or short-term rentals. These options are affordable, safe, and great for meeting other travelers. Pack light. Think carry-on only with essentials like a travel adapter, first aid kit, and a power bank for short trips. And of course, stay safe. Always share your itinerary with someone back home. Keep digital backups of your important documents, and trust your instincts when you're out exploring. For international connectivity, consider an eSIM from Airalo or Saili. These services let you stay connected without the hassle of buying a new SIM card in every country. As you go, don't forget to capture your journey. Take photos, record videos, and jot down the highlights of your day in your travel journal. Not only will these help you remember your adventures, but they'll also let you share your experiences with family, friends, or even your social media followers. Plus, travel photos are some of the best souvenirs. So, why should you take that leap and travel solo? Solo travel can be intimidating, but it's also one of the most rewarding experiences you'll ever have. It's the chance to challenge yourself, grow, and see the world in a way that only you can. Remember, the world is full of places to see, people to meet, and lessons to learn, and you have all the tools you need to go out and experience it. Are you ready to explore the world solo? Take that first step. Research your dream destination, start planning, and get excited for an adventure that's truly your own. Trust the journey, be open to the unexpected, and embrace every moment. That's the magic of solo travel. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this guide, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep up with Mundo Rover. Let us know in the comments where will you go on your solo journey. And if you have any questions or tips, drop them below. Until next time, keep exploring and happy travels.